just this practice is different from other experiences because everybody knows me here. Even the front office staff, the ladies that work at the front desk, they know my name. They know my child's name. When I used to be a public school teacher, they knew what school I worked at. They knew what grade level I taught. Dr. Pike and Dr. Valega actually live in the same neighborhood as my in-laws. So I've actually seen them outside the office as well as inside the office, and I can see them as a whole person and not just as a doctor. And every time I come in, it's, how are you doing? Oh, that's right, last time you were here, you were doing this and this and this, and or your daughter was doing this and this, and do you have any pictures to show us? And really treating me like a person, not just a patient. I feel it's important for the dentist to treat you like a person, not just a patient, because it makes you feel more comfortable about coming to the dentist, because it can be a scary experience to come to the dentist and you have cavities or you have some sort of dental problems that need to be taken care of, and they really take the time to make you feel comfortable so that you can ask questions about what's happening, not just take what they say. They really take the time to explain to you what exactly it is they're going to be doing or why they're going to be doing that. And it makes me want to come back to the dentist. I like coming to the dentist. I don't mind coming. I'm not scared at all about my dental experience anymore. You smile, it's the first thing people notice about you, and I knew I needed to take care of myself. And so it just took a little bit of convincing to let me know that yes, the experience I've had in the past was not a good one, but that the experiences I would have here would be so much better. And so after a little bit of convincing, it was kind of me just being like, all right, I need to be, and understand as an adult, I need to take care of myself. Let's go into the dentist. And I was pleasantly surprised that I didn't have that bad experience again. Even anytime I come in here for routine cleaning, even last time I was here with Dr. Valega, she really takes the time to show me, this is what's on your x-ray, this is what's a concern, this is why I want to look into this. They're very good about explaining everything that they're doing so that you're not sitting there going, I wonder why they did that. They really take the time to explain it to you. Actually, a few months ago, we had new neighbors who were looking for dentists in the area, and she was asking, she had taken her kids to the dentist, they're young, and she and her husband were kind of skeptical, as was I, so I kind of knew where she was coming from as far as a little bit nervous about finding a dental place. And I said, it really feels like you're coming into a second family. They really treat you like family. I said, they'll take the time to make you feel comfortable. They're not just going to say, okay, it's your turn, come back, come sit in this chair. They just look through your mouth and then tell you, oh, you have, cavities, and send you off. They really take the time to get to know you. And it was funny because when I came in for my appointment afterwards, Dr. Valega was talking to me about my neighbor. Oh, thank you so much for recommending your neighbor. She's so friendly. And they actually were able to talk. My neighbor makes like hair bows, and so Dr. Valega and her got off on the topic of hair bows. So now Dr. Valega knows something personal about my neighbor, so my neighbor knew, okay, she really took a vested interest in me as a person and not just as a patient.